Well, hello and welcome to another MTDCNC video. We are here at the Amada Open House in Kidderminster in the UK. I'm joined by Ryan, who's very kindly offered to introduce us to this wonderful combi machine behind us, which combines punch pressing, punch forming, and laser cutting. Now, Ryan, thank you so much for sparing the time to talk with us today about the machine. Now, I'm not familiar with the machine. I'm not an expert on this process, but you are.
Okay.
So would you like to introduce us to what a combi machine is and what it allows people to do?
So the combination machine combines both punching and laser cutting in the same process. So for example, you've got a 30-ton all-electric punch press machine. So it's got those all-electric capabilities, as well as a 3-kilowatt Amada fiber laser with automatic nozzle cleaning and automatic nozzle changing.
Okay, so but why would I want to combine those two things together? I mean, you've got some great parts on the table in front of us. Take this part as an example. I can see features in here that lend themselves to punching.
Yep.
But there are also some features here that are better suited to laser cutting.
So ultimately, combining the two together, its goal is to eliminate any secondary processes. So every job that you want to produce is done only on the one machine.
Okay.
So if you need tapping, forming, anything like that, it's all done in the same process, and it's a dramatically quicker than having to switch between machines or subcontract work out.
Okay, that makes sense. So that's all about improving productivity, reducing setup time, getting more components out ultimately to the end clients that are using these machines to manufacture.
Exactly, and for a much cheaper cost.
Driving productivity. Now, the machine behind us, it's a big machine. Walk me through the numbers here. What's the working envelope? What thickness of stock could be processed?
So the maximum thickness that you can process on this machine is 6 millimeters across all material types.
Okay.
And the maximum sheet size you can process is 3 meters by 1500.
So it's a big machine, big working envelope, high capacity in terms of sheet type, managing to combine those different processes together. Now here at the Open House, your theme is automate everything.
Yes.
And I know one of the big features on this machine is the ATC, automated tool changer. Now, walk me through what this ATC is and what it allows your customers to achieve.
Okay, so what we have here is the PDC, the punch die changer. This holds an extra 220 punches and 440 dies.
Okay.
This also keeps track of each tool in the changer, so it means it will allow you to keep track of the hit rates of each tool. The machine will give you notifications or warnings of when to complete each regrind, and it will also act as a buffer turret for the main turret on the machine.
Wonderful. Okay, so I could totally understand why this is going to drive productivity. It's going to boost the amount of throughput you're getting through the machine. Now, beyond the numbers of the machines we talked about, I'm intrigued to get below your surface and sort of learn what you love about this particular machine.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, what are the three things you love about this machine the most?
Okay, so one of the main things about this machine is the practicality of it. So for example, if you're using this machine in conjunction with the PDC, if you were to send a program across from the software to the machine, it would read every single tool that is in the punch die changer and in the turret, and automatically configure the turret for the next job in the process, completely eliminating setup time or any downtime.
Okay, so that's the first thing you love. What's next? What's that second thing you love?
Okay, so I would say process flexibility. So like I spoke about at the start, with a lot of people tend to move jobs around and subcontract jobs out, whereas everything is done on the one machine because you've got the capabilities of both forming and laser cutting in one.
Okay, and finally that third thing that you really love about the machine?
I would say it is the general productivity of the machine. So for example, punching the internal details of a job and laser cutting the profile in the one process is far quicker than one or the other. For example, punching internal details allows you to punch with gang tools, hitting multiple hits in one go, and laser cutting intricate profiles without having to move across different machines.
And of course, the fact as you said earlier on, you've got a 30-ton press here. You know, you can combine that with your gang press dies and really drive that productivity you talked about. Okay, so they're your top three. Now, I can tell that there's something else that's bursting to come out of it. Anything else you want to share about the machine?
I would say it is the traceability with the machine. So for example, like I mentioned earlier, we can keep track of the history of all of the tools in use on the machine. For example, it tells us the hit rates, the hit count of every single tool on the machine, and all of the details about the grind life of the tools, And as well as that, we can view the history of all the programs run on the machine up to a month in advance. And we can also pull up those programs, re-watch the V-monitor videos of the programs to identify any issues, which our IoT team can tune into to have a look at processes and fix any issues with the machine.
And we were seeing earlier on here about your LiveLots tool and the IoT tools, the fact that the machine itself is automated, it's smart, but it's connected. So it's connected to your system, so scheduling, planning work, all of this IoT technology is going to make a huge difference. So, well, Ryan, thank you so much for your time today. Really appreciate you walking us through this machine. I hope if you're looking for a machine that combines press, forming, laser cutting, the guys here at Amada definitely have some solutions for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.